Welcome again. Today we'll solve exercise 1.3 of class 6th Ncert math. Okay, so question number 1 we will solve here because this question is quite long also, so we'll solve step by step. So here it is estimate each of the following using general rule. What is general rule? General rule says solution. In general rule we make rounding off. Rounding off means if here it is 730, it will be rounded off to nearest 100. Nearest 100, what will be number? It will be since it is less than 750, then so it will be rounded up to 700. If it would have been more than 750, for example 756, then we would have considered it as 800. Okay, so nearest 100, whatever it is available, we will round it off. So first question we will solve it with the general rule. First question number 1, it is 730 plus 998. Okay, so what we will write? We will write this after rounding up as 700 plus, and this we will round up because it is nearest to 1000, so we will write 1000. So it will be equal to 1700. So this is the answer. Okay, you got my point? So now we'll proceed to second B part, that is B is 796 minus 314. B is 796 minus 314. Okay, so first half we will round off to nearest 100 and then we will subtract. So this is the nearest to 800 and this is nearest as 300. Okay, so it will be written as 800 minus 300 and the answer will come as 500. Okay, I think you got this point also. And the question C is here 12904 2888 plus 2888. Okay, so we'll write this C question. C question is writing this one 12904 plus 2888. So what we are supposed to do, because here both were hundreds, so we have means rounded up to nearest 100. Here we have thousands, so the lower the number we will consider the nearest of number of digits to that only. Means here there is 2000, so we'll go for nearest 1000 for this also. Okay, as it has the 4 digits also, but will not go for nearest 10,000 something like that. We'll go for nearest 1000. Okay, so let's go and solve it further. So nearest 1000 of this number and this number and this number will see. So for this number, that is 12,904, we will round off, then it is nearest to 13,000. Okay, 13,000. We are considering nearest 1000, not 100. Okay, if we would have considered it is this one as a nearest 100, then it would have been 12,900 only. Had it been at this place, second place, 560, for example, it would have been 560. Okay, so since here digits are 3 only and it will be considered as a means hundreds, to consider it at hundreds value, then if these two pairs would have been there, then for this also 12,000 also we would have gone for the nearest 100 only. Okay, so you got, I think you have got the point. Okay, so here it is 1000, so nearest round off of this number is this, and nearest round off of we can write it 2888 round off. Actually you have to write the question like this, not like where that I will solve it. So it if you convert it to nearest 1000, then it is nearest to 3000. Okay, So now we can write this 12,904 plus 2,888. After rounding it off, I think it is just a minute. Okay, fine. So we'll write here as equal to 13,000 plus at 3,000. Okay, so how much the answer will come? As 16,000. So this is the answer. Okay, now we have the D part. So what is D? 28292 minus 21496. Okay, so we'll go for nearest thousand of this also, and it is 28,000 and another is 21,000. Okay, so let's go here. D is 28292 minus 21496. Okay, so we'll round off to nearest thousand. Round off to nearest thousand. Okay, so what will come? So we'll round off 28292, round off. So how much it will become? It will be 28,000. Sorry, 28,000. And round off of 21,496, 21,496, then it will be rounded off. Then nearest thousand, it is, since it is less than 4 here, so means less than 4 means compared to 500, then therefore it will come in the lower side, means 21,000. So it will be rounded up to 21,000. Okay, now will hence what will it become? Hence 28,292 minus 28,292 minus 21,496. It will become as, will take 28,000 from here, 28,000 minus 21,000. How much will it become? It becomes 7,000. So this is the answer for the D. Okay, and extension of this question is writing 10 examples of this kind and then solving it for it. Okay, so we'll write 10 more examples. 10. You can write of your own 10 more examples. Okay, so we'll take first example. So let's take any numbers. Let's take 672 plus 215. Okay, so if you round up this, it will become 700. It will be rounded up to nearest 100. Plus how much this will become? It will become 200. So what will be the answer? It will be 900. Okay, take another example. Let's take 4 digits, like just take it like 5, 7, 4, 2. Take it plus and write it 7, 9, 1, 4. Okay, so here we will take the nearest we'll take nearest thousands. Okay, so what will be the nearest thousand here? We'll take nearest thousand here. So why we are taking as 1000? Because both have the thousands, so we'll take 1000. Okay, so nearest thousand of this number will be 6000 and nearest nearest thousand of this number will be 8000. Okay, so it will become 8 plus 6, 14,000. Okay, so this will be the answer here. Now let's take 4-digit subtraction also. We'll take 4-digit subtraction. Let's take for example, take 8 1 4 2 minus 2 1 6 2. Okay, so we'll round up this and this to nearest thousand. So this will be rounded up, it will come to 8000. Okay, sorry, let's make it proper, 8000. And if it will be rounded up to nearest thousand, it will be 2000. So what will be the answer? It will be 6000. Okay, so this is the answer. Let's take one more subtraction of 3 digits. Let's take 3 digits. For example, 492 minus 340. Okay, so 492, it will be become around, after rounded up it will become 500, and this will be rounded up to, and then it will become 300. So answer will be 200. Okay, so similarly we can take several examples here. Let's take another example of the lower value. Let's take for example, we have 2012 minus, for example, we have 11 0 9, for example. So this will be rounded up to 2000, and this will be rounded up to 1000. How much will it become? It will become 1000. So this is the answer. Let's take a different number of digits. For example, we have 4561 minus 666. For example, it is there. So now we will have to consider this, because it is as 100. So this will become also be considered to nearest 100. Okay, so this will become nearest 100. What will be this? 4600, and this will be 700. Okay, so how much will it come? 3900. Okay, similarly other examples also you can consider here. Just my phone battery is getting down, so I have to close now, but other examples also you can take. This is all. Thank you very much. We'll meet again.